The Kira Home Grace has over 190 customer reviews and a 4.4 star rating. Customers frequently mention that the Grace is easy to assemble, is great quality, and looks great. The Kira Home Grace is perfect to install in a nursery, in the corner of a bedroom, or in a living room next to a couch. This modern floor lamp features 3 durable, sturdy wooden legs that create a tripod design in a pint-style finish. Atop the wooden legs is a large white drum shade that creates an overall versatile and timeless look. The design of the Kira Home Grace is minimal and stylish, allowing it to fit well in many mid-century and contemporary homes. Measuring at 60 inches tall with a shade diameter of 18 inches, this floor lamp is a perfect way to add length and dimension to any space. Included in your package is a 9-watt LED bulb that produces a bright, warm light that is easy on the eyes for extended periods of usage. Because it's an LED, it stays cool to the touch, and best of all, it's energy efficient, saving you money. As always, the Grace light is UL listed for your safety. You may notice similar competing items on the Amazon market space that say UL listed sockets or not have UL or ETL listings at all. Those companies are trying to cut corners and save a buck. However, at Kira Home, all of our factories and items produced in those factories have been subjected to certification by those safety labs. Our feedback is never influenced or bought. All of our reviews are genuine and truthful from real customers. And remember, we are a US-based company with real local support. So if you ever encounter any issues, feel free to reach out to us online, on the phone, or by the email listed on all of our product manuals and packaging.